Hi, Decker. Oh, are your hiccups gone? Huh? Oh, there's a hiccup. There's his little squeak. Hi. Oh. Hi. He's got the hiccups. He's satisfied, huh? He just had some lunch. Yeah.